The Muffin Monster shreds most any material capable of disrupting your system. Blue jeans, toothbrushes, t-shirts, plastics, shoes, blankets, potato chip bags, condiment pouches, you name it. The Monster reduces them to manageable particles, resulting in a trouble-free system. Once installed, the Muffin Monster's benefits quickly become apparent in preventing clogging, reducing maintenance costs, and protecting downstream equipment. Predictable and reliable performance is key to the Muffin Monster's solid reputation in the field. Unscheduled maintenance, repairs, and replacements are minimal. At the heart of our grinder is a dual-shafted cutter stack and drive system, able to handle a wider variety of solids than single-shaft machines. The Muffin Monster's low speed, higher torque, and counter-rotating shafts reduce interrupts and direct more problem solids into the teeth. Another important feature, cutter options, makes for system flexibility with your choice of cutter thicknesses, diameters, and tooth configurations for specific reduction requirements. Proven in a wide variety of tough applications, JWC's Muffin Monsters are the preferred choice of institutional managers, operators, and maintenance personnel across North America. For instance, the San Francisco Hall of Justice is plagued by an all too common problem: blockage of the facility's sewage drain system due to inmate vandalism. The jail, which houses anywhere from 800 to 1,000 inmates, had been averaging 12 to 18 disruption incidents a year. The most memorable episode took place at the Hall's 911 dispatch center.
In the early 60s, the city and county of San Francisco built their current Hall of Justice, and somehow they thought it'd be a good idea to put the prisoners on the top 2 floors. The floors below the prison are inhabited by the police department, judges, lawyers, and the 911 center. I think that the modern day prisoners aren't as honorable as they were 30 years ago, and someone along the way got the idea that if they plugged up the toilet, they could rain nasty water down on the judges and policemen. They had another incident where the 911 room became flooded, raining down unmentionables on the inhabitants and actually putting at least one of the computer keyboards out of service. The people working in the 911 room had to continue working in some pretty nasty conditions. The jail decided to try using a Muffin Monster and put it in one of the drain lines to see if they could avoid these stoppages. It was noted in the newspaper that these stoppages had been happening for several years, and that the only line which did not get stopped up was the one with the Muffin Monster. Shortly thereafter, the city and county of San Francisco approved the purchase of 3 more Muffin Monsters to protect 3 more lines. Since the installation of the Muffin Monsters, we haven't heard any reports of inmate vandalism raining terror down on the 911 room.
The Muffin Monster's unmatched grinding performance is important for all types of correctional institutions. Facilities Manager Don Milliken of the Woodland Hills Youth Development Center in Nashville depends on the Muffin Monster's reliable performance to eliminate an expensive problem at his facility. By stuffing sheets, shirts, and shoes down the toilets, in-house residents caused the center's waste system to become backed up on a routine basis. To remedy the problem, a pump truck was hired every 10 days on average at a cost of $300 to $500 per visit. The final solution? A Muffin Monster. The grinder has been so successful, reports Milliken, that the center has not had any blockage problems since. The unit not only has saved his department major costs, but hours of maintenance headaches as well. With over 20 years of experience in the field, it's easy to see why JWC Environmental Muffin Monsters have been selected by well-known facilities such as Rikers Island, Pelican Bay, San Quentin, Fulton County Jail, Graterford Prison, and hundreds more, including county jails, police stations, detention centers, and work camps. Large facility or small, Muffin Monsters have the flexibility to fit any size application. Rigorously tested in the most difficult applications, our Muffin Monster is second to none, with an earned reputation for superior performance and reliability you can't afford to be without. Muffin Monster, the very best way to resolve the tough solids problem and keep your entire sewage system flowing freely.